Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. Suppose if you look at the chart, what you can see that the price of silver is in this particular range. Okay, it has not moved upside or downside. Now still it is trading at this particular zone. Okay, and this zone, if you look at this zone, we have seen that it is now in a downside if you look at overall trend, but now it is trading at around 22.456. Any doubt regarding this, or please watch the full video, then only you understand how this technical in gold, silver and crude is working. And if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join, and you can mail me for any doubt at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Then we can see it can go further high to a level of 22.844, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 22.982. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 23.229, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 23.394. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 23.669. Okay, and from there if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 23.971, and these levels are already tested here, so chances of going toward a level of 24.301 is very high, and from there we can see a level of 24.549. okay, and 24.549 is a resistance where we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.174 if the price goes above a level of 24.521. okay, and now understand one thing. If you look at the chart, okay, if it goes above a level of 23, then we can see it can sustain a level of 23.361, and from there we can see towards a level of 24, and from there we can see a level of 24.604, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.741, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 25 also, and the price can sustain can go to a level of 25.429 also. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, now trading at around 22.416, it can go further low to a level of 22.240, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.212. Below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.937, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.635. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.360. now understand one thing, and this level is already tested here, so we can see the price of silver can go further low. So understand one thing, if it goes below a level of 21.937, we can see it can go further low to a level of 21.470, and from there we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of 20 also. okay, so understand here, looking at the chart, that the price of silver is very volatile and it is moving in a particular range. So once this range breaks downside, we can see it can go fall further, or if it goes above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 25, but if it goes below a level of 21.9, we can see it can go to a level of 21, and from there we can see a level of 20.5 also, and if it didn't sustain this level, we can fall further. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. okay, and now understand one thing, if you are trading with $10,000, always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital, and your risk could be 0.5 to 1%. that means around $1,000 you are trading with, and so the price risk should be 0.5 to 1%. okay, that is around $50 to $100. if the price sustain this level, then we can see, suppose if you trade for 5 times, you lose it 3 times, you know the risk. okay, and if then it is possible for you to trade for the next day carefully if you lose it for the 3 times or even 4 times. okay, so you can trade it properly without any stress. Understand? So remember this thing. okay, always set your limit loss and a day limit loss, then you can be a good trader. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.